We're in beautiful Tanby this morning. We're going to be updating this beautiful home with some new Crimsafe screens and doors. The front doors, we're doing ultimate in a Western Cedar red powder coat finish. So it's that timber look finish that everyone loves. We've got some sliding ultimate doors going in around the back. They actually go into a corner, so there's 4 panels that'll stack back and open up beautifully. Owner doesn't have to do any prep for us to come and install. They can leave a key out for us, or a door control or an access code, so we can come and install and be in and out without them even knowing. Everything's pretty seamless. We take away the old screens and install the new ones. We're all done here in Tanby. The front of the house is all done with Crimsafe, and back of the house. The Western Red Cedar Crimsafe Ultimate doors look really fantastic and set off the front of this house beautifully. We've also completed the back of the house with more Ultimate Crimsafe sliding doors and windows. So yeah, this house is fully protected. So we've been around and checked all the alignment of all the locks, and they're working smoothly and beautifully. So last but not least, we've got a heap of old screens to take back to work. They can go to the recyclers, and then we're cleaning up and off to the next job.